This is the 45-liter outdoor backpack by Peak Design. It's a lightweight, internally framed backpack designed to handle gear-heavy outdoor adventures or even a light overnight trip without forcing you to make sacrifices. Looking for something a little smaller? Check out the 25-liter. The 45-liter pack features a low-profile harness with running vest-inspired shoulder straps and a removable hip belt. Hyper-adjustable straps and lumbar length ensures maximum comfort for a more inclusive range of body types than any other bag we've tested. Enjoy quick access chest and hip storage, and capture attachment points for secure camera carry anywhere. The proprietary Ultra Cinch roll top allows for lightning-fast one-handed access, as well as additional room for expansion. A huge rear access panel makes packing and unpacking a breeze. Clip in a Peak Design camera cube and create the most capable outdoor photography bag on the planet. Inside, you'll find dedicated hydration bladder storage that doubles as a laptop sleeve. Outside, you'll find radically convenient external storage. 5 stretchy flex pockets can hold things like water bottles, jackets, and tripods, yet never look floppy or disheveled. And then there's the external carry system. We call it Cord Hook, and it turns the outside of your backpack into a blank canvas for storing more and accessing it quickly. The bag is made from 100% recycled, PFAS-free, weatherproof TerraShell, and a seam-taped rainfly is available for the gnarliest of downpours. Fair Trade certified, Climate Label certified, and guaranteed for life. The Outdoor Backpack 45-liter, because eventually the pavement ends.